Hello all, welcome to Shri Purnima Jyoti here. We are having a small home-based store located at Sadashivam Nagar, Manipakkam, Chennai. We deal with different types of sarees and dress materials. So we dispatch and deliver across India and worldwide also. For singles, the shipping charges is 60 rupees within Tamil Nadu and 100 rupees rest of India. COD available for all the products. COD processing charges is 100 rupees extra to the total product cost and the total shipping charges. So, very good morning to all. First I have to say that already, but I forgot, okay. Just carried away. So today we have brought up some silk cotton sarees, okay. All of them are priced at 1100 rupees. Shipping is extra. All of them are south silk cotton sarees, okay. The fabric will be very soft, okay. It's more of a cotton and less of a silk. So it will be very soft and easily blendable, okay. So it will blend with your body very nicely. I will go with the products now. Yeah. So actually last time also I bought only one color in this particular collection, okay. It's again a Jyotika silk cotton saree. Let's start with this one. So this is a purple shade violet color, okay. You have this kind of a golden zari work. I will just open and show you. I have some three major colors in this one. So this is how the saree will be looking. It's a dark purple shade. You have golden zari work in the pallu and also in the blouse, okay. It's a jacquard woven pallu and jacquard blouse. The fabric is south silk cotton, okay, very soft only. It will not be very it won't show so blush plump and all, so it will blend very nicely, okay. It's very easy to drape only. So this is the first collection. This is a dark purple shade, violet shade. So you have this kind of a mango and this design coming alternate, and I will show you the pallu. So this is the pallu. You have a very fancy pallu here along with the jacquard blouse, okay. This is the blouse piece. These sarees are priced at 1100. The first one we are going to show is a violet color, okay, dark purple shade. Hello ma'am. So this is the next color, okay. Three major colors, the purple and green and blue shade, three major colors and slight variations coming. So this is the second color, pinkish purple color, okay. It's a pink shade with purple tone, okay. It's a dual shade again with the same design. So this is how the saree will be looking, okay. It's a pinkish purple tone, okay. The same design. I will just quickly go through the colors, okay. Go through the colors. So all of them are south silk cotton sarees, okay. So this is how the saree will be looking. It will be easy to drape, okay. It won't be very stiff and all. So this is the pallu and the blouse piece, okay, jacquard blouse. So whichever color you want, please take the screenshot and WhatsApp me at 91505 My WhatsApp number is 91505 So the next one is green color. So this is how the saree will be looking, okay. So this is the look of the saree, okay. Green color. Just a minute. Okay. So green color with the pallu and the blouse piece, okay. So this is how the saree will be looking. It's a green color, okay. It's more of a cotton and less of a silk. The price is 1100 ma'am. 1100 shipping extra. Shipping charges is 60 rupees within Tamil Nadu and 100 rupees rest of India. It's a kind of a steel blue color, okay. So this is the next one. So whichever color you want, please take the screenshot and WhatsApp me at 91505. So this is the next color. So it's a kind of a steel blue, okay, a light steel blue. This is how it will be looking when you drape it. And the pallu, okay, this is the pallu and the blouse piece. The pallu and the blouse is jacquard woven. Priced at 1100, shipping extra. So this is how the saree will be looking. It's kind of a steel blue color, okay. So the next comes the royal blue color. I don't know why many ask for this particular royal blue color. I don't know what's the reason behind it. So I just tried to create it and I luckily got the color. So this is the next color. It's a royal blue color. So this is how it will be looking when you actually drape it. Okay. The concept, the design is going to be the same. It's a jacquard woven pallu and the jacquard woven running blouse with golden zari work. So this is the look. Please take the screenshot and WhatsApp me at 91505566870. So just one more color in this particular design. Navy blue color. So this is the look. Since the color is going, design is going to be the same, I'm not opening the color. It's the navy blue color. So whatever one, you can please take the screenshot and WhatsApp me. So the next design I'm going to show. Now onwards we will be coming different designs in each and every saree. Only those sarees has a different colors. Please in English, ma'am, I don't know Hindi, I'm sorry. So the next one comes the purple color with a fancy design. So you have this kind of a box and the chakra color, chakra buttas. Okay, all of them are thread woven. This is not zari woven. Okay, these sarees are also priced at 1100. It's a thread woven. You can see the pallu. It's a very rich pallu. Okay, it's a thread woven design only, and also the blouse piece comes in the thread woven design. Okay, see here, very rich look. Okay, this will look very elegant when you actually drape these sarees. I will show you the look of the saree. So this is how the saree will be looking. Okay, it's a purple tone. Okay, again a violetish tone. Again with the fancy pallu and also a fancy thread woven blouse piece. Okay, all of them are jacquard woven again, but it's a fancy design with thread woven design. So this is how the saree will be looking. Please take the screenshot for all the orders and inquiries. So this is the look of the saree. Priced at 1100, shipping extra. So the next comes very attractive yellow color. Okay, mango yellow color, dark mango yellow color with a big size peacock butta in the border. Okay, both the borders you have this kind of a peacock butta and a mild zari. Okay, a very medium size border, again thread woven. Okay, these sarees are all thread woven, priced at 1100, shipping extra. The blouse and also the pallu will have the thread woven jacquard work. Okay. So this is how the saree will be looking. It's yellow color. Okay, this has the peacock butta in alternating colors. Okay, you have the purple color and also the pink color and also a blue tone purple. Okay, so this is has the butta in both the borders and a very rich pallu, thread woven pallu along with the thread woven blouse piece and contrast color. These fabric is South silk cotton sarees, priced at 1100. It's more of a cotton and less of a silk, so you can easily drape it. Okay, it will not be very plumpy and all, so you can easily drape it. So the next comes wine color, a very lovely color. Okay, very lovely color. This color saree has a silver zari work. Okay, it has a fancy tree design along with the silver work. The pallu is also has the silver work. So this is how the saree will be looking. Okay, this is the look of the saree. It's a wine color with silver zari work. And also the other butta is thread work. Okay, so this is the look of the saree. It's a wine color with tree work coming with silver zari and also the thread work. and the pallu has the same similar thread work and also the silver zari work along with the blouse piece coming in thread work, okay, green color. So this saree is all priced at 1100. This is how the saree will be looking. Please take the screenshot and WhatsApp me at 9150556870. So the next comes full golden color. So full goldenish color, okay. This saree is very soft in particular than the other sarees, okay. It will give you a silky look feel as well. So this saree is fully gold work, okay. It's full of gold work. The pallu is also gold and also the blouse piece also coming in the same running color. So it's a goldenish color. So this is how the saree will be looking. It's a golden color, full golden color silk cotton saree, okay. The fabric is silk cotton only, South silk cotton sarees, priced at 1100, and you have the running blouse, same as the saree design, priced at 1100. Thank you, ma'am. So this is the last collection. It's a light pink, okay. One side big border and the other side is a tiny border with a peacock design. It's a pink with blue combination. Just a minute. Yeah. So this is how the saree will be looking, okay. This can be worn by any age group, okay. All the sarees which I have shown, okay, except that borderless collection, even the borderless collection now many are wearing it, okay. So everything you can wear it easily. So this is how the saree will be looking. You have a very tiny border here and also a cottonji style of a border with peacock, full peacock work in the border, and also the pallu with peacock work, zari work, and a plain with just a border in the blouse piece, okay. So this is how the saree will be looking. This is the last saree for today. So please take the screenshot for all the orders and enquiries and WhatsApp me at 9150556870. So these are the collections. All these sarees which I shown is priced at 1100. Shipping is extra. Shipping charges is 60 rupees within Tamil Nadu and 100 rupees rest of India. COD available across India for all the products. COD processing charges is 100 rupees. You have to calculate to the total product cost and the shipping charges. Okay, shipping charges and the COD processing charges, both are completely different. COD processing charges is the charges which we have to pay to the courier agency for processing the COD orders. Okay, so this is different. So thanks for all your support. Keep shopping, keep watching. Please like and follow our page for all the live updates and also the pictures. We will be posting the pictures after some time. Okay, all the pictures. There may be some color variations possible in the video and the image due to the resolution and also the settings. Okay, so we will be sharing the real pictures. You can ping with me before the order. So we will be sharing the real pictures if there is very difference ourselves. Okay, so thanks again. Have a good day. Bye bye.